of Biotechnica, welcome back again to another informative video. So today's video is all about DBT Research Associateship Programme in Biotech and Life Sciences 2022 to 2023, where there is a call second. So I'm going to talk about how you can avail this DBT-RA fellowship in biotech. Very specifically, if you're interested in biotech research and life science research, then there is a call or notification has come, and you can start the application by 20th of January 2023, and it's going to go till 28th of February 2023. So please don't forget to apply for this DBT-RA program in biotech and life sciences. So I'm going to talk this complete detail. So the application has started already, and this is mainly for people who wanted to do their research in biotechnology as well as in life sciences. Very specifically, after completing your PhD in premier research institution, you can work in as a RA in any of the research institutions or in universities, including even non-profit R&D institution, but within India you have to work, and this is actually awarded by DBT Research Associate Programme by Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. So the major aim of this fellowship is to train and nurture many young scientists or researchers and in the field of biotechnology and in the field of biology very specifically. The most important thing is you need to know the eligibility criteria to apply for this DBT-RA Research Associateship positions. So if you are holding any PhD degree in any science or engineering, or if you are MD or MS degree in medicine with research interest only in biotechnology and life sciences, if you're going to have with a good academic record, then you can apply for this. There's a second point which talks about, suppose if you have not been awarded a PhD degree or MD degree or MS degree, if you're going to ask me, can I apply? I'm going to tell you yes, but there is a condition. So if you have already submitted the PhD thesis, MD thesis, MS thesis, you are eligible to apply, but if you got selected, then you will be given a lower fellowship amount. So they'll be giving you a lesser amount until you qualify the eligible degree. Until you are awarded, they're going to give you a little bit of money. And when we have to talk about the upper age limit, for the male candidate is going to be 40 years, and for the female candidate it's going to be 45 years on the date of application, last date of application. And all the Indian nationals can apply for this. Another important thing is non-residents can also apply, and overseas citizenship of India can also apply for this DBT-RA fellowship. The applicants, if you are employed at the time of application, either it's a permanent job or contractual job, you are also eligible to apply, but you have to stop the employment for accepting this fellowship also. See, these are the important eligibility criteria to apply for this one, and the tenure is going to be for almost 2 years. You can be a DBT-RA fellow, and it will be extended up to 4 years also based on the progress in your research that's going to happen. The most important guidelines that has been given by DBT-RA program is you can apply for this DBT-RA fellowship only once by a candidate, not more than that. Suppose if you have applied and got DBT-RA fellowship before, then you are not eligible to apply, and if you're applying it for now, you cannot be applying for the later cases. And this is only in India. You can take up in any academic institution, national laboratories, recognized R&Ds, non-governmental organizations you can take. And fellows are not allowed to work with their PhD, guys. This has to be taken into consideration. If you have worked any project under a PhD guide, you are not supposed to take this DBT-RA fellowship under the same person. And it cannot be availed at the same institution also. Suppose if you have done a PhD in one institution, in the same institution you cannot avail this DBT-RA also. And a mentor cannot have more than 2 DBT-RA fellows. This is very important. If you're going to choose a mentor in a different organization where you have not done your PhD or MD or MS, then that mentor should have only 2 DBT-RAs, not more than 2 DBT-RAs he need to have. And the mentor should have a good academic and research position in a recognized institution in India, and he should also hold PhD, MD or MS in science, engineering or medicine. And suppose if there is going to be honorary professors or emeritus professors and scientists and DBT distinguished professors, they can also become a mentor as long as they have available resources and labs that are available for you. The next important criteria is Northeast region. Suppose if you are an applicant from Northeast region, which is a permanent resident in the Northeast regions, then you can also work in any universities or institution in the country also. And research grant is mainly for minor equipments, consumables, contingencies, and domestic travels they're going to provide you. The next important one is how you can apply. So it is going to be an online mode of application, and this is the link. So if you're going to see this will be given in the description box. So if you go to this Biotechnica site, you will be given a notification beneath this, apply online. You just have to click onto this. It will be redirecting you to that page. And what are the things that you have to do? I'm going to tell you. So you're going to fill all your complete information, and you have to complete the application before 28th of February 2023. And what are the things that you need to have is personal information you have to fill up, academic qualification, research contributions, and referee details. You need to have a references also, and your proposed research work, what type of work you're going to do, and your mentor details, which should not be in the same institution where you have done your PhD, MD or MS, and which institute you're going to work under. This information has to be very much important. And documents you have to submit: self-attested PDF copy of your date of birth and degree certificate. And if you're choosing any mentor from a different organization, he need to give you a consent letter. That consent letter is actually available in the DBT-RA portal, where you can download through the appendix and you can use it. And after that, you have to fill all your referees, and you should fill it in the form. And during submission of online application form, email with link to submit letter of recommendation will be sent by the applicant to the email referees of that you have mentioned in the application forms. You have to mention your mentor's references or any of your references you want to mention. Just give the email address, so they'll be receiving a link for them to apply or to submit their references over to the DBT portal. And referees must upload their PDF copy of letter of recommendation on the portal by 28th February, which is the last date. Before that, you can apply. The applicant shall ensure that the referees provide the recommendation on time. So make sure that you are making them to submit the form within the period of time. If there is no letter of recommendation, then your application will not be accepted at all. So if the application is not accepted, then it will not be done. If you have any queries regarding it, you are always mail to this email address. And the most important thing is the application has started for applying for DBT-RA has started from 30th of January 2023, and the last date is going to be 28 Feb 2023. So this is a notification which has come. So if you have completed PhD and looking for a wonderful opportunity as a RA position, then definitely this is going to work for you. So this is the site. You can go to this site and you can actually start your application process. There is an announcement which is given here. So if you're going to click onto this, you will see the complete information which is available. The advertisement have come, and after that you can register, log in, and fill all the application process also. So this is all about the DBT-RA program 2022 to 2023. Call number 2 has come, so all of you please do apply for this one. So I believe that this information is useful for you. If you have any queries regarding this one, you can put it in the comment section. We are always ready to help you. Thank you all of you for your time.